First, you must cripple German communications by blowing up their radio center in the area. Strengthen the defenses of the city and defend the evacuation with armored reinforcements. Listen up, lads. The German army is at the gates of Ypres. This platoon's job is to cripple German communications. The Jerry's established a central radio station in the area, so you must blow it up.
Any orders, sir?
Any orders, sir?
Infantry reporting for duty.
On the way! Yes, sir. Truck reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir?
Tötet
Enemy! On the way!
Yes!
Artillery! On the way! On the way! Yes, sir. On the way! Yes, sir. Enemy sighted!
Lights you up!
Attack!
Watch the dust!
Fire!
Feind gesichtet!
Moving, sir.
Yes, sir! Fire!
Reporting for duty. Ready, sir. Infantry moving.
Truck reporting for duty. Fire!
Infantry ready. Yes, sir.
Orders? Moving!
Yes. Any orders, sir? Reporting for duty.
Hurry up!
I need a medic!
Got my bandages ready.
Infantry ready.
Hurry up! Medic moving.
Truck reporting for duty.
Moving. On the way. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Yes, sir.
Kill him!
Ready, sir.
Target destroyed!
Yes, sir. Infantry on the move.
Trust him!
Infantry moving. Yes. Infantry reporting for duty.
Kill him! One more bites the dust!
Infantry moving. Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving. Hurry up! Infantry ready. On the way. Awaiting orders. Infantry reporting for duty. Coordinates, sir. Relocating the gun. Attack! Gun ready.
Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty. Moving!
What are the coordinates? Attack! Infantry reporting for duty. Target destroyed!
Our scouts report there's a repair station and an ammunition dump nearby. They are your next demolition targets.
Infantry ready. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Infantry moving.
Orders? On the way!
Infantry ready. Infantry on the move.
Transport ready.
Artillery ready. Relocating the gun. Awaiting orders. Infantry ready. Come on! Infantry on the move. Infantry moving.
Hostile unit spotted.
Excellent! Excellent! The Jerrys won't get any more ammunition from there. Now blow up that repair station.
Yes?
Truck reporting for duty.
Gun ready.
Transport ready.
Relocating the gun.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it. Infantry moving. Affirmative. Bullseye! Any orders, sir? Come on! Infantry on the move. Affirmative. Come on! Infantry on the move. Got it. Infantry on the move. Yes. Awaiting orders. Ready for battle. On the way. Infantry on the move. Yes? Yes, sir. Orders. Fire at the target!
Well done. It's going to take them a long while till they can use that equipment again. The reinforcements are just about to arrive. Get back to our side of the canal.
Yes.
Come on, lads. We won't wait for them lazy dogs. Let's shake a leg. Yes, sir. Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move.
right, gentlemen. Everybody's back. Destroy the bridges at once. Reinforcements will arrive soon. Get back to the city and prepare its defense, while the rest of our forces manage the evacuation. Reinforcements arrived.
Truck reporting for duty. On the way! Got it!
Machine gunner reporting for duty. On the way! Infantry on the move.
Medic reporting.
Infantry ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moving. Orders? Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Yes. Infantry on the move.
Reporting for duty.
Ready, sir. Come on! Reporting for duty. Come on!
Vehicle is operational. Got it? Vehicle is operational.
You can rely on our artillery. They can provide covering fire to aid in your defense.
Reporting for duty. Vehicle is operational.
Any orders, sir?
Got it? We are ready, sir. Yes. Affirmative.
Reporting for duty. Orders? Affirmative. Ready for battle. Infantry moving. Infantry on the move.
Ready to attack. On the way. Transport ready.
Yes. Relocating the...
Vehicle is operational. Any orders, sir? Ready to attack. Hurry up! Awaiting orders. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Vehicle is operational. Transport ready.
Ready, sir.
Reporting for duty.
Yes. Ready for battle. Infantry moving.
Reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir? Yes.
Reporting for duty. On the way. On the way. Transport ready. Yes.
The enemy are advancing on you. Defend the city at all costs.
What are the coordinates? Relocating the gun.
Enemy!
Vehicle is operational.
Ready, sir.
Vehicle is operational.
Target in sight.
orders, sir?
Awaiting orders.
Target destroyed! Ready, sir. Hurry up!
Vehicle is operational. Ready, sir. We are ready, sir.
Target destroyed!
Any orders, sir? Ready, sir.
Hurry up! Fire the gun! Enemy destroyed! Attack!
Orders?
That's it, lads. You put up quite a fight. Now it seems we'll have ample time to evacuate the city.
Hostile
They're
units.
bombing our artillery platoon! God save the poor buggers!
We won't be able to endure another wave without artillery support.
Sir, we could build a pontoon bridge and attack through the forest. By my reckoning, we could completely take the bloody Jerrys by surprise that way.
That's a fine plan, Sergeant. Go ahead with that bridge and attack the assembled enemy forces from the flank to cripple their advance. Reinforcements arrived.
Yes. Moving, sir. Yes. Awaiting orders. Yes, sir.
Yes?
Infantry ready.
Yes?
Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes. Get back from there on the double. The bank of the canal is fully covered by their artillery.
Yes, sir?
Ready for battle. Infantry moving.
Awaiting orders. We are ready, sir.
Ready for battle. Come on! Infantry move.
We are ready, sir.
Ready for battle.
Machine gun oiled and ready.
Any orders, sir? Any orders, sir?
Hurry up!
Infantry moving. Infantry reporting for duty.
Reporting for duty. Come on!
Any orders, sir? Infantry moving.
Yes, sir. Ready to attack.
Bridge ready, Captain.
Great. Now hurry! Flank the Jerrys with everything you've got.
Awaiting orders. Awaiting orders.
Awaiting orders. Moving, sir.
Vehicle is operational. Orders? Any orders, sir? Got it?
Ready for battle.
We are ready, sir. Truck reporting for duty. Affirmative. On the way.
Awaiting orders.
Enemy!
Yes, sir. Target destroyed.
Vehicle is operational. Ready, sir.
Ready for battle. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving.
Ready to attack. Transport ready. Got it.
Machine gunner reporting for duty. Infantry ready. Affirmative.
Machine gun oiled and ready.
Infantry.
Machine gun oiled and ready.
Any orders, sir? Hurry up. Infantry ready. Infantry reporting for duty.
Machine gun oiled and ready.
Yes.
We are ready, sir.
Machine gun oiled and ready.
Any orders, sir?
Awaiting orders. Infantry on the move.
Vehicle is operational. Affirm.
Enemy.
We are ready, sir. Moving.
Machine gun oiled and ready. Hurry up! Move.
Enemy sighted.
Infantry moving. Yes, sir. On the way. Yes, sir. Got it. Orders? Infantry on the move.
Yes, sir. Awaiting orders.
Fire!
Ready, sir. Ready to attack. Attack! Yes! Hurry up!
Ready, sir.
Ready, sir. Machine gun oiled and ready. Come on! Infantry moving.
Yes. Hurry up!
Hostile units spotted. Infantry reporting for duty.
Vehicle is operational. Affirmative.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Plan worked magnificently. We were able to delay the German advance so the evacuation can proceed. Pack your gear, gentlemen. Tomorrow, we are going to Dunkirk to join the others.
Moving, sir. Affirmative.
Thursday, May the 30th, 1940. For a lot of the veterans of the last war, the sound of artillery fire is still a trigger, something that brings them back to mud-ridden trenches and piles of dying and starving comrades. On this day, though, that sound triggers hope in me. It was artillery that helped us hold the line over the last few days, and every time I heard the distant rumble from behind our front lines, I knew that somewhere on the other side of that canal, Germans were meeting their deaths, giving us a few more minutes, perhaps hours, to save more of our boys. We got sent into Ypres a few days ago and charged with defending the area around what our Belgian friends called Menenpoort, an important bridge bottleneck since medieval times. The Germans tried to storm over the river from the east, but my boys didn't give an inch of ground to them. I could not be more satisfied with their strength, determination, and wit in this operation. De Gaulle's victory at Montcornet 2 weeks ago was a valiant effort, but only short-lived. The Germans are pressing into his country, and we will need his tank tactics more than ever. I lack intelligence on how the war is going in other parts of Europe, but I suppose the retreat is on a grand scale. Still, I consider us victorious today. 4 British divisions, lots of material, and many of our Belgian friends managed to get through Ypres while we defended it. If not for our stand here, a lot of our countrymen would have died, and every life saved is worth the battle.